Let's marketing.
Where are we going?
Disney.
We're gonna have some fun?
Yeah, with our friends.
With our friends? What friends?
Yeah.
Me? I'm your friend?
Yeah.
Aw, thank you. You're my friend too. So we're gonna have fun?
Yeah.
We're gonna go meet our actual friends though?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna have some fun?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
I think she's ready. Is that it?
Wait, no.
No? What's next?
I want you to do like for the SpongeBob like.
No, you're good.
Like.
Are you ready, kids?
Yeah, Captain.
I can hear you.
Yeah, Captain.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go home.
Home?
Let's do the
Well, after an extended monorail ride due to standard maintenance, I guess, they had to turn it off and turn it back on again. We've finally made it over to the Magic Kingdom about 15 to 20 minutes later. About equivalent to what the ferry ride would be. So, anyways, we're in. We're gonna go find the kids now. We're gonna see. Someone might be a big girl now. No longer need me to be your finger buddy. We're gonna try it. See if it's gonna work. There goes nothing. Okay. Scan. Scan first. Finger up. Finger up.
Mommy sing it. No, baby, mommy sing it.
Oh, it worked. Okay, we're in. We're walking around the middle of Main Street, USA, with a heavy child on my head, and I think we're going to Small World. You like Small World, Char?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's a small world after all. Okay, let's go. What'd you see? You're not slipping.
Hold on.
Okay.
Look, Daddy.
What do you see? Is your map flying?
Yeah, like a magic carpet.
Like a magic carpet. Okay, well, they got on the ride before we got there. So we're gonna hit the potty right up first, so we don't have to go and do that after they get off the ride.
So, like,
Last week it was. This week there's like nothing. So carousel? Okay.
how would you write that
Well, let's see if we get it or not. What are you calling your horsey?
for? Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Dash.
Yeah.
Pumpernickel.
Tickle.
Pumpernickel.
Wow.
Is this gonna be fun?
That's a good name.
Thanks. I just came up with it. Are you?
Because the eyes is red.
Yeah, is Rainbow Dash a good horsey?
Hey, it's a My Little Pony.
Oh, okay.
I like his, like, their diamond.
It's gray hair.
Yeah, like the bottom. Love this ride.
You love this ride?
Yeah.
Good. Oh, here we go.
There you go!
Hey, where'd you go? Oh, hi, Char.
Hi.
Hey, where'd you go? Oh, hi, Char. Hey, where'd you go? Oh, hi, Char.
Hey, where'd you
Wait.
go?
Oh, no. You fell. Oh, I thought you fell off. Oh, boy. Woohoo! Giddy up. I forgot what I called my horse. Pumpernickel. Who's yours again?
Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Dash. Rainbow Dash treating you well?
Whee! Good job, Rainbow Dash.
Okay, we're off. They're off. Apparently the Rapunzel bathrooms are closed. So I don't know where they are now. I will let you know when I know, because that should be right about now. They were here. He was waiting for us. Feel better? They are closed.
2 minutes. wait so long.
Wow, Char, this is a super short line. It's only 15 minutes. You can wait 15 minutes.
What?
Yeah. 13 would be amazing.
There's like a pirate just for me?
Yep, that was not an accident at all. Man, there's scrim up and everything. It's like the whole building's a ghost. So if you look off to your left, inside of the line, you get a beautiful view of the rivers of America. At least the ghost of the rivers of America. It's a construction wall. Wow. Look, that they've taken out gravestones. You can see they've left a couple of trees, but they have knocked out the back. The rumor is that they're going to extend this queue some. They could definitely use it, but this is the first time being back here in a while. Tim guy. What's going on back there, guys? I can't see. Anything fun? It has been a unspecific amount of minutes because someone thought it was only a 15-minute wait and no one would want to know how long we were waiting for. I guess I'll just have to check the timestamps.
I just follow this video and read the headstones because they're funny.
We have approximately waited X amount of minutes because someone still has not started a stopwatch. I am forced to check out the timestamps. I think I might be riding by myself until the end. That is yet to be determined. I feel like I'm being watched. I thought we were going to get through that whole thing without stopping. That was fun, Char? I don't know what the next plan is. We'll find out. But I was concerned there for a second. I thought we were going through the whole thing without stopping.
Nope.
But we stopped at least once. Also, the line is a lot longer than 15 minutes. Now that she's the castle, she wants to go eat in there.
We want to move up now?
I mean, yeah, I should probably go talk because I need to check it in like 4 minutes. Okay.
Up there.
Well, because you get yelled at. But are you excited to go eat in here now?
No.
Yeah. Is it going to be good? And yummy? It's a fluffy. You see the fluffy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I've been spotted.
Yeah.
His visibility is based off of movement.
Yeah.
He can't see us if we don't move. See? He can't see us now in our natural habitat. First time doing dinner here. It is a 3-course fixed. So we'll see what that means for this one. This better be good. Or I'm gonna blame someone. Where are we?
In Bell's Castle.
Are we eating in Bell's Castle today?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
I think you're excited. So from what I've been told, this is where you used to meet the beast. Do you not meet the beast anymore?
He walks around.
He wanders around his castle.
Wanders
Yeah.
around the castle.
As long as you don't go in the east wing, west wing, the wing. a wing.
What if we aim? What if I'm just feeling
Then we hide. If you wanted a definition of waiting impatiently, let me give you a visual essay. Just yeah, sure. Are you ready? Okay.
Everybody in the line!
Oh, single file.
Greetings, our honored guests. We are excited to announce that the Beast has heard of your arrival and desires to welcome you to his castle. We ask that you please remain seated during his visit, and we encourage you to have your cameras ready. Thank you.
We're being followed. I feel less welcome right now. Who do you see?
The bee!
Here comes the beast. Looks very handsome, very dapper. Looking wonderful. Thank you. Mr. Beast. Wait, wrong Mr. Beast. You got lots of money?
Yeah, it checks out.
A lot of questions about this time, right?
Yes.
So we're in the Beast Castle, but it's after he's met and married Belle. How did he turn back into the Beast?
Belle had a fetish.
Wait, is that
So this is what she wished for?
Yeah.
Understood.
That's
He liked. Okay. So it is a prefixed dinner menu. So it comes with a 3-course, so an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert.
How are we doing today?
Good. Yourself? I'm getting tartar sauce tuna and a dry smoked aged pork chop. Neither of those things are right, but it's going to be food.
I mean, cuddle it next to Katie. I'm being cuddled by Charlotte. Come on, really?
We're still here. It's
Okay, you
nice.
cuddle too.
It's expensive. They're getting pictures. She's taking the pictures. So Char got cheese and fruit. I got the tuna tartare. It comes with some stuff and things. Everything looks great.
Yes, thank you.
And then go talk to him, and he'll tell you what everyone else at the table got.
Charlotte, are you going to carry my drink around?
It's a goblet.
Oh, we can't carry all that!
I don't know, Char. I don't know.
I was told I was allowed.
She did ask.
I know she asked. I was not expecting it.
You said yes. You had the same menu that she had.
She did not. I didn't know what she was ready.
You could have asked.
I can see a lot of glowing goblets around.
The double chop.
No!
Hiya. What did you try, Char?
I tried the mac and cheese.
The mac and cheese. That looks like good mac and
And
cheese.
it was super good.
And it was super good.
I
got the-
called it
Mine will
10
break
out
apart.
of 10 too.
Pork chop. It's a double chop. It's a rotating plate. It is a hot plate.
Pork chop. It is a double chop.
That is a huge chop.
Looks gorgeous though, with some micro vegetables. It looks like potatoes.
And potatoes,
Potatoes and a sauce.
some tomatoes,
That is
some
kids.
beans.
What did she get?
Kids, mac and cheese, and french fries.
Mac and cheese. Fries.
And she added her own croutons on top, it looks like. So she pulled apart the bread, and she added some breadcrumbs to it.
Look at
She's
that.
fancying it up.
Charlotte is going all out. Charlotte is like Annabelle got steak fritter. Yeah, is that?
And then
Daddy,
watch his video, and he'll tell you what everyone else got.
All right. Good idea.
Ta-da!
I got down there.
That
got
looks
chicken tenders.
yummy.
That looks so yummy.
I tasted it. It was super good.
Good.
To get a picture before they leave.
Eat.
Is that the beast? Does he know how to make good food?
Please do.
You're going to go take a picture. Char, did they make good? Does he make good food? Oh, watch out! Get up.
I can get out of them.
Did you just say this is the best day of your life?
She got a rose, I got a creme brulee.
No, she got creme brulee. This was creme brulee.
This was creme
Yeah.
I think she got a rose.
She did good.
Is that for me?
That's all yours.
extra gray stuff. Dad, what'd you get?
Creme brulee. Thank you.
How chippy was these?
Oh, it looks like they changed it. So you get to eat your chip and your little cupcake.
Oh, it's not the paintbrush anymore.
No.
But the rose rose.
I know she got a rose. Did Olivia?
Here's your spoon. Do you see your little chip?
I know they got a chip.
The little chip
Yeah.
chocolate?
The cookie.
Yeah. Is it good?
Ended up getting a citrus creme brulee. And then for our anniversary, we got a congratulations.
Thank you. Take a picture.
Yeah.
Grace.
Congratulations, you two. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I didn't think you guys would make it.
I know, this is so sweet.
Mine?
20 years we got.
20 years,
I was
man.
the 21. I was the demo.
Okay.
20, that's where the 21 came in.
Did you eat the rose?
So,
How was it?
I think
Good.
20 years ago we had an all week.
On our way out, we're gonna go peek at the rose. It's the Beast's quarters. So the food was really, really good. Is it worth $75 a person?
There's a really big line.
Maybe.
you want to go out or did you?
She's walking out now. That pork chop was. The steaks all seemed excellent. Charlotte, she ate a lot of bread. Is it worth her $35? Possibly. She got to see the beast. She was super excited about it. But she didn't eat all the mac and cheese. It was good mac and cheese. French fries were excellent. She enjoyed her cheese plate, ate everything except for the Swiss. Wasn't a Swiss fan, not going to the Alps anytime soon apparently. Will we be back? Probably. I'd want to get the steak. I'd probably get the pork chop again. That pork chop was so much better than someone's chicken. The chicken was dry. You should have, that pork chop was, I want more. I'm coming back. Why does it smell so good out here? Smells like fried chicken. I like it. That was good. Gonna have to come back. Maybe.
Wait, your batteries ran out.
My belly's all full now.
No.
Oh no, not yet. Was that good dinner?
Yeah.
Should we go back there eventually?
No.
No, we shouldn't take Sissy and Mommy? No? That's just a me and you thing? Okay. I guess once they catch up, we'll find out where we're going next. Oh, shucks.
That's so cool.
There's another one over there.
They're all around. Why do these long legs walk so fast?
A different one. Where?
Well, there's Chip and Dale in front of the castle. Are you supposed to be with them?
Probably.
Okay. Come on.
Did I write that? We ride this
We
ride?
rode this ride.
Yeah, we did. We really ride this.
For real life?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's saying 45 minutes. Ugh. Okay. We should be on the ride by 8 o'clock.
It's 45.
45. It has been 27 years. We're still outside. Go on without me. But really, it's been 27 minutes. We go up the stairs, then through the kitchen, then we meet the merge point, and then we go down into the salt mines. We got to work there for a while, and then we get on the ride. We're heading down the ramp, heading down the ramp, heading down the ramp, walking most of the way. Belle, it's your time to shine. How long's it been?
32 minutes.
32 minutes to 31, 32 minutes to 32, 32 minutes to 33, 32. It's been about 33 minutes.
And what was it on the app? 45?
45. 40. 45? 40. Pass John. Show us how long it was. Okay. Well, it's saying 45 minutes. We've made it down the bayou. Made it down the bayou. Made it down the bayou. We walked all the way. We're going down the bayou. We're gonna sing. We're gonna sing.
Hey, let's try not to sing.
Try not to sing? Or sing?
Sing, sing.
Scream! We almost had to exchange. Yeah, they're yelling at Jim because he has a water bottle in the way. We're gonna die.
Well, now you're saying Disney. What's wrong with you?
Water went directly into my mouth.
Nobody's gonna wave.
Watch the rebound. Oh, a wave? Woo!
No wave.
Maybe I'm gonna go Tommy.
What? Yeah.
The bar, the lady told them specifically to put the bar down, and then she made like a general announcement for the rest of us to put our bars down. They're not really going nowhere.
Yeah, you don't.
Except out.
Yay! We clicked.
Yeah, you don't go down fast at all.
Canobos don't have a bar.
No, Knobles doesn't have a bar. You sit on someone's lap, they hold you in.
Hi, Tiana.
Hey, look, it's Tina's food.
Who's Tina?
I don't know, but she makes the bananas.
She does make the money.
Look, okra. It's okra.
I haven't seen Oprah since she handed out cars to everybody.
He's staring at me. Why are we going faster?
What?
Because we're the
Yes. Back row. Way to get into this conversation as the boys have their lap bar down.
10 minutes later.
I just saw people stopped over there. We're getting our best.
What's going on over there? Anything? Anything? Bueller? Bueller? Never ever lose sight that it all was started by a mouse. That's what I said, right? I don't speak cursive.
No.
This is a small hill, right?
Yeah, this is where we got stuck. Yeah, kind of exactly like they are. But yeah, we went. Wait for the thunk.
All right, Dad. Hold on.
No thunk yet.
No, done good.
There'll be a thunk. Yeah, we had to climb up over this. Yeah, right there. And then we stopped. No rebound. Oh! You okay, Tiana?
You all right?
We'll ask them to join.
Those are dead eyes.
She was lost. She got lost in the bayou and not in the right way.
She's seen some stuff. Louie. Wake up, Louie.
This rah-rah band can jam!
About that far. You're stuck.
Huh?
I want to know how low he can go. He's pretty stuck. I'd rather think small. No rebound.
How well are we getting on this? Not bad, not bad. Jen got wet?
This is where the mutant frogs live. Actual size. Or did we get small? Oh boy, no, there, maybe we're gonna. No whammies! No whammies, no whammies, no whammies. Stop!
My bottom is very moist.
Did you pee?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna get off here and meet you guys at the bottom then, okay?
Yeah, we're not gonna get wet at all.
Choo-choo says it's time I get you back to side.
Wait till we get to the bottom, please.
Friends, the tag along too.
Hold on to your phone.
What? Let go of the phone.
Okay, I didn't get wet at all.
Boys, you get wet.
I sweated a lot.
my eyes.
That's why you close your eyes.
I got a little wet.
Just a
Y'all
little bit.
okay?
Got wet.
We still have all 9 of us?
What's your favorite person? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We
What? She's not the distribution person from Pirates? Dispatch. The word I was looking for was dispatch.
Distribution person. They give you chickens now, nothing else.
Who are you looking at?
Please go down
Hi, Charlotte. Now Louie's seen some stuff.
Tiana sure knows how to make a party.
I think the rod broke.
Yes, fill it up with special people like you.
Oh, gee, thanks. Your earrings look like spoons.
Remember, this party wouldn't be what it is.
Hold on, y'all. Seems like a temporary delay. Please remain seated and our journey will resume in 2 shakes of a gator's tail.
You said stand up immediately and get off, right?
That's exactly what he said.
Coming. You will lose a hand. It has happened.
Make a big splash at this party. See y'all again soon.
Big T.
It has been 27 years. I have finally given up hope. Uh-oh. Music turning off is not a good thing.
Evacuation.
I think so.
Break the music. The music's on.
She stopped moving.
Stop.
Well, it's taking up, Tony. It's pretty
Are
dark
we
out.
getting evac?
I hope so.
That's big.
Fast, 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 fast.
This would be the second time we've gotten evac in the final scene on the show in Fast Passes. So I'd be alright with that.
Can I fill up my water bottle in this?
I would strongly recommend
You would strongly recommend that?
Recommend it. That's what she
Okay.
said.
Let's go down with the heels.
Like drinking the water next
She worded that perfectly.
Yeah. Oh.
Attention, y'all. Remain seated because your log's about to get going. Hallelujah.
Yay. Oh, boo. Yay. Mixed emotions. So splash was fun. We got wet and stuck for a little bit. Now we're going over to Pirates. Then we might go get a spot for fireworks. Time shall tell. The world is our palm tree, as some might. Okay, Disney. I'm gonna cash in that 0% of influence I have over you. Switch to co-freestyle. I need it for water. Please and thank you. Okay, action.
I got my question.
Okay, what's Charlotte's question of the day?
There's a big drop in Pirates Ride, like Tiana's ride.
There is a drop, but is it as big as Tiana's drop? Is that your question?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want me to answer it, or do you want to find out later?
Find out right here.
Find out right now?
No.
No? Okay.
Pirates Ride.
Welcome to Pirates Ride. That's like 10 minutes? That says 10 minutes. Hey guys, it says 10 minutes. Does that mean we get to write it twice?
No.
No? Okay, well, let's make sure. Stop here.
Hey, look.
We got everyone? 1, 2, 12, got it. Welcome to Castillo del Moro. That means the gas del Moro. I don't know. It's Spanish because we are in a Spanish fort. Because did you know that Florida was not part of the original 13 colonies? It was owned by Spain. We bought it from them. I think we bought it from them. It's some malarkey. Don't even have to wait in the whole line. Yo ho, Charlotte, stay with us. That's not your family, but you can probably fit on their boat. Char, are you excited?
My chicken was very big.
Yes,
You know, Sister Unit, I did not know you were this big of a fan of the ride. That is
my favorite one. It really is.
It's commitment right there.
It is.
I need one.
I have one.
Can I have one? Can I have two?
I don't have any more with me. It's a small jar. I'm just being sacred because it has money. I always take off my Is that a real person?
Yes.
I can't tell. It looks like an animal.
No, it's a real person.
He doesn't wave.
They never wave.
They never wave?
No, very rarely. They waved once.
He doesn't look real.
They're real. They are actually really, truly responsible for the entire ride.
Oh, really?
So it's a kind of stressful job.
See, this one don't have a left arm.
Yeah. We're listing. We're taking on water. Think light thoughts. We should not have had that big dinner. Close enough.
I like you to get
already taken on water.
Don't listen to him.
Will be Captain Jack Sparrow. Speak up.
There.
Or do you fancy a swim with Davy Jones?
You for the rest of you guys, I run Captain Jack Sparrow.
Lost in black on it, club.
Didn't see that. Over here.
So the next show.
It's a show about the country bears.
No, it said what else was the next?
Electric Night Parade from where we're gonna stand then for the fireworks?
Kind of. And I think they might be running two. If they're doing it, I'll double check. If they're not, a lot of times do a 9 and an 11. The 11 is also a lot less crowded.
Howdy, folks.
Howdy.
Our show's almost ready to begin. So just choose a row and sit your bare bottom down. No, choose a row and slide all the way across. Just make sure you stop when you reach the end, or you might be watching from the floor.
Yep. It's gonna be a packed house.
Oh, heck, I kinda like it up here. Looks like the gang's just about ready. So now's the time we remind you there's no eating, drinking, or smoking allowed in the theater. And you can take all the photos and video you like. Just please, no flash photography or video lighting. We've already got Rufus on spotlight.
Do we? Psst, Rufus, wake up! Oh.
Over here.
Sorry.
Okay, everybody. Now we're ready to start. Give us a little intro there, Gomer. Howdy, folks. Welcome to the one and only original country band musical jamboree, featuring a wild and woolly assortment of grizzled grizzlies singing a little country, a little western, and a whole lot of everything in between. So get those paws tapping and those claws clapping for five bears who need no introduction, but I'll give them one anyway. Let's hear it for the 5 Bear Rocks! Hit it, boys! We'll remember for a long time. Now, how about we do one of my favorites? You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. I say, you got problems. I got it too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it through, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Say, Henry, why don't we invite all our friends out there to join us for the finale?
Great idea, Sammy. Hey, gang, hit! That's enough. Nobody had your chance. Hey, Henry, get the hook. Forget the hook. Get a band track. Sophisticated. Remember. Well, folks, this concludes our show. As you can see, we're still barely keeping it together. Now gather up all your bare necessities and exit out the doors on your right. What do you say, Sammy?
I say, y'all come back, yeah?
We hope that you'll be coming back here. Dropping us here down here. We've done our very best to meet the best of bare necessities. We hope that you'll be coming back here. Come again, come again. Anytime.
Fun show.
This is that new hat shop you just went.
It is a new hat shop they just put in. Seems popular.
Facilier hat.
Yeah. But everyone's getting ready for the 9 o'clock parade, even though it starts in town center. But we're gonna get ice creams and then head towards the hub, find a spot. Wish us luck.
I might never let me watch the fireworks.
You know, I'm your family and I'm letting you.
This is like a dream.
You're welcome. Hey Char, how's that ice cream? Good?
Well, because
Jake, how's the ice cream?
I don't think
Sister unit, how's the view?
amazing! I'm so happy. I'm gonna cry.
No.
I just wish I had my key.
That'd have been too many people. We wouldn't have made it.
Oh, and we could see the fireworks!
You excited?
Yeah.
I wouldn't have guessed.
And what's there?
Yep.
That'd be awesome.
This is gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
You're super excited. You're so glad.
Look back!
And they all live happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
just stay.
I will hear every story told of my own dream. Be as strong as the seas are stormy, and proud as an eagle's wing. I will ride, chase the wind and touch the sky. When your arms are looking and knows that to open
That's what friends are for.
Friend, never had a friend you ain't. Never had a friend, never had a friend you ain't. Never had a friend. Never had a friend like me.
That was Sissy's favorite song.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open
Inside yourself. You are more than what you have become. Remember who you are. And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory.
We're changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.
You can fly.
Here she goes. 10 out of 10.
Thank you for joining us this evening for our next
How was it, Char?
Happily Ever After, presented by Kindle.
How was it?
Good! Enjoy the rest of your evening here at
They saw all the fireworks.
Bring in the crane to get me up.
So happy you finally got to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Larry saw Tinkerbell.
You did? Yeah. So how was it, Char?
Good.
It was good? Are we glad we saw it?
Yeah.
Are we ready to go home?
Yeah.
Okay. So that was
Da,
fun.
da, 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 da.
We're not done yet. So say thanks for watching.
Well, subscribe our next video.
Okay. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you out next time. Hey, as always, folks, remember to stay kind. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to exit through the gift shop.